We talked about using simulation to put numbers to your gut. Sometimes you have a feeling of how something will work or perform, but simulation can put some hard numbers to you. We talked about a chemical process. It actually needed 500 times less gas than the designers thought. And if you need 500 times less gas for something, that opens up a whole new era of product possibilities. Now your product can be mobile. Now it can have a smaller gas tank. Now it can be lighter, right? So put some numbers to your gut with simulation. We talked about tracking progress in iterations, not finished drawings. This was something from the Lean Startup. Going through this build, measure, learn cycle as many times as you can. Those iterations are what make your product good, not getting 39 out of 40 drawings complete. It's how many of these iterations did you go through. And we talked about using simulation for that last time. We talked about using those iterations to explore, number 3. Also make sure you explore heat. A lot of people know simulation works for stress, strain, but heat is a big area. So we're going to talk about that a little bit today too. We talked about thinking with the iron in the fire. Using your off hours to run simulation, you'll see that'll make a big difference today. And finally, we talked about using a checklist. This is a simple picture of the Hyatt Regency hotel balcony disaster. They made a really small design change, but that design change was enough to go from a safe design to one where that killed 100 people. So if they had a checklist of just running all the numbers after every design change, they probably would have prevented that. So we talk about using a checklist, and we'll see that idea again today.